this year and for this year alone, use the JEE mains exams as the qualifier or as the admission criteria for IITs also, which means do not conduct the JEE advanced exam.
In this particular case, extraordinary exigency, they may go for even one exam, provided their committee agrees.
We are having an extraordinary year with academics affected very badly due to this pandemic. And those who are aspiring for IITs have to get a good rank in the JEE advanced exam. And for that, they have to write first the JEE mains exam, which means there is a lot of many exams that they are waiting for and a lot of stress associated with that. So my suggestion is this year and for this year alone, use the JEE mains exams as the qualifier or as the admission criteria for IITs also, which means do not conduct the JEE advanced exam. My contention is in the top 10,000 rank of JEE main and the top 10,000 rank in JEE advanced will be the same set of students if everybody takes it seriously.
That in case we can, the situation is controlled soon, and maybe let us say, I will even say that by 15th of June, both exams can be conducted. But in case it gets extraordinarily delayed, then I am more worried about even JEE main, because even for JEE main, the board exam is very necessary. But in case it is not possible and there is too much of pressure, then one examination, they will have to design the format, and they will have to in this particular case, extraordinary exigency, they may go for even one exam, provided their committee agrees.
The first edition of JEE mains was held in January, and almost all the students wrote that, but they all have a chance to write it again, and the system will report the best of the two scores. And there may be a few who did not write in January and are waiting only for the April, with what's supposed to happen in April test. So JEE mains has been announced of a particular pattern, half of it has been conducted, so the option of changing that does not exist.
JEE advanced is the real exam which IITs conduct, whereas JEE main is basically meant for first stage screening for IITs, and then for other NITs and government institutes, CFTIs, for that it is meant. So maybe that they tune the level to IIT advanced, and even the multiple choice question single correct, they can make a little bit of higher level. The problem is the students who appear for JEE main, they may not have that kind of a deep analytical skills and deep conceptual understanding to solve such kind of problems. So maybe a little compromise will have to be made.
Instead of 14 to 15 weeks after the JEE mains exam, classes starting 14 to 15 weeks, that could be cut short by another 4 weeks or 5 weeks if JEE advanced, one step is removed. And this is not only for IIT admissions, because IITs are the most sought after institutions. Until the IITs admission take place, admission to NITs and IIITs, and then other private engineering colleges and government engineering colleges do not actually happen. So there is a cascade of dependency from the IIT lists to all the way down, which means you have the opportunity to save 4 to 5 weeks of delay in start of academics if we do this step.
JEE advanced preparation does not start after JEE main. JEE advanced preparation, as a matter of fact, starts for the students who target JEE advanced right in class 10 or maybe even class 11. So it is not that only 1 month is there for preparation of JEE advanced. Those who are serious to appear in JEE advanced, JEE main is only a step. They have to make the schedule in such a way that learning, testing and rectification go on simultaneously. And they should make some short, concise notes and formulas and concepts at a glance, which during the last period, last week, just before the actual examination, they glance through complete.
In the end, this is not the final step in your life. This is one more step, and whether you are in an IIT that you wanted to be in, or you are in some another institution, if you take your subject seriously, if you take your future seriously, think hard, work hard, you will do very well. So not as much is riding on all these things as the world makes you believe. So stay calm, stay strong, and help with everything else that is going on in the country as much as your own preparation for these exams.